how to lose back and belly fat just by using one simple exercise for a month. You might be wondering, how is that even possible in just 1 month? Well, my dear friends, if you do these exercises that I am going to tell you with dedication for every single day, you'll definitely see major difference in your belly fat as well as the fat from your back area. Stick till the end of this video where I'll give you the exact schedule and a special surprise that will get your lazy bums to work out and burn those calories every single day. Starting right from this moment. But before we get deep into the battle of fat burning, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't lose me in this massive jungle of YouTube. Subscribed already? Good. Now let's begin. I'm pretty sure that you might have been already known about this exercise known as plank. But answer me, do you include them in your daily routine so that you'll benefit from it? Probably not, right? We know all sorts of things that can get us the things we want. But the only difference between the planning and results is action. Let me first tell you the benefits of doing planks every day. Plank is a simple but very effective core exercise which is used in various workout routines for building stability and strength. Right from the term Kumbhasan in yoga training to various other types of strength trainings and endurance training, plank has been a popular exercise. So what makes this plank so special? Not only it is people's favorite exercise for the reason that we have to only stay still like a plank for a certain amount of time, but also it's one of the best and effective bodyweight exercise. Bodyweight exercises are those workouts that you can do with nothing but using your own body weight. Number 1 benefit of doing plank regularly is planks are best for building core strength. When we focus on variety of weight training exercises, we typically fail to work on our core area muscles. Plank, being a compound exercise, has impacts over many different types of muscles at the same time. As a result, more calories are burned during short span. The specific muscles that are impacted by planks are as follows. All the core muscles including transverse abdominis, external obliques, six packs, and some back muscles and glutes. The second benefit of doing plank for every single day is that it will help to improve your overall posture and help you get rid of back pain. As planks target almost all the muscles that are responsible for proper posture of our body, there will be seen an automatic improvement in our body posture without getting any training for proper posture. By means of proper posture, our body will put more strain on the muscles instead of several joints while doing both heavy workouts and simple day-to-day tasks such as bending over. This can reduce the risk of arthritis and other injuries for many. Third benefit of planks is that they improve your flexibility. Unlike other traditional exercises, which only improve muscle strength, planks tend to improve your flexibility along with it. Your posterior muscles along with glutes and other small muscles like collarbones and shoulder blades will grow and stretch as you practice planks daily. This will help improve your overall body flexibility a lot, provided you do planks every day without giving any excuses. No worries, I have a plan for you to practice it for every day. Just stay tuned till the end of this video. The fourth and the last most important benefit of doing plank is your metabolism will be improved. As your core muscles will grow stronger, you will burn more calories. How? More the muscles, more the fat burning. And the muscles targeted by the plank share almost all big muscle groups in our body. As a result, your overall metabolism will be improved. Before showing you the 1 month plank routine, let me first tell you how to do a plank correctly, so as to avoid the injuries and get the best results out of it. there are various types of different plank exercises which I will bring to you in some other video. For now, we will be looking at most basic and popular plank form, that is forearm plank. Lie belly down on a mat. Keep your feet less than a hip width apart. Flex them so that your toes are touching the mat. Now press your entire forearms against the floor and lift your body off the mat. Balance your entire weight between your forearms and toes touching the ground. Make sure that your body forms a straight line except for natural body curves. And also your elbows should come right below your shoulders. Squeeze in your core and glutes, indulging the muscles in that area. Look down on the floor so as to avoid any neck injury. Keep your neck relaxed. Pay attention to your breathing, not too fast or too slow. Try to breathe as normal as you can. So that's how you do a plank in a proper and safe form. You will gain mastery in the form as you will practice it regularly. If you feel any discomfort, then stop doing it, cause you might be unknowingly doing it wrong. So as I promised at the beginning of this video, here is the initial 1 month schedule for gaining mastery in plank. Ta-da! This is the 30-day plank challenge routine. On day 1, you can start with 15 seconds of plank. You can do more if you want to, but remember one thing, that you will have to do it in 2 to 3 sets. One set of 15 seconds plank on the day 1, taking a 1 minute rest gap following with another set and so on. You will gradually increase the duration of plank every day as listed in this program, and by the time day 30 comes, you will have learned to do a 2-minute straight plank. Isn't that so easy? Make sure to thoroughly follow this without any excuses and see the difference in your strength. Take a screenshot of this routine and get started to lay down the foundation for that gorgeous and stunning abs. Now the one more surprise I was talking about is I have made this special 10 minutes plank exercise program specially for you guys. Watch this video and you will see how you can do planks daily along with me, without having to count for the seconds or minutes by yourself. Just play it and get started right now if you can, because all your knowledge and intentions are of no use unless you take actions. Keep working consistently towards the right direction, and one day you'll be looking in the mirror at that stunning body you earned with these small but continuous efforts. And those continuous efforts would give the best possible results when combined with a healthy diet. How can you get a healthy diet that suits you? And what is the guarantee you won't feel like quitting on a healthy diet? Well, watch this video up here and you'll be left with all the basic knowledge about preparing a healthy meal in order to lose weight according to your own choices and favorite foods. If you are watching this video till here, I guarantee you that you are in the right direction and right mindset for changing your lifestyle for a healthy and fit body. Subscribe and stay connected with me so that I can continue motivating you on every step of your weight loss journey. So here we have reached to the end of this video. Make sure to follow what I said. Thanks for watching. See you soon.